how to create the membership site on Wix. So if you want to make your actual site the membership site, you need to have a login or sign up page. So let's head over here to our dashboard. And then from in here, just click on this apps and click on this app market. Now on the app market right here, you can head over and then see all of the apps available on your Wix market. So let's head over and click on the search app, and let's head over and then put in here a login. You can also search in here for member. So let me head over and then search in here for that. And then from in here, you should be able to see some search results related. You can see in here this live chat support, but what you need to install is this Wix Members Area. Head over and click on that. And then from in there, this will load, and then head over and click on this add to site options. Now, this will actually redirect you to your Google Chrome, wherein you can see this. So head over and then just go to the editor to place the Wix Members Area on your site. So click on this go to editor, and then from in there, this will just open a pop-up. So let's allow pop-up right for Wix in order to show you the page. So let's head over and open it. And you should be able to see it on the next page that will open on your Wix website editor. So as you can see, this will add the Wix Members Area onto our site. So the Wix Members Area has been successfully added. So if you're wondering what it is this right here on our header. So we have in here this icon. So this is actually the login bar. So you can reposition it wherever you want to add it. So it totally depends on you. So for example, for this one, let's head over and then just add this wherever we want, just like this. And then when you click on that, you click on this setup login bar right here in order to successfully enter this login bar settings. We have in here this log and log out page. You can also make this full or initials only. Now in here, let's head over and click on this member sign up settings in order to open it. Now you can prompt people to sign up, or you can also prompt them to just log in first. Now you can also see this additional sign up in settings. So this is the one that is available on your dashboard. So this will load to your dashboard in order to show you the actual settings that you will have for that. You can also see all of the users that have successfully signed into your membership site. So you can also clarify this who can be a site member. It can be everyone or only people I approve. You can also ask your members to confirm their email if you want to as well. You can also add your CAPTCHA for this one. So head over and save the settings. And then once you have set up everything, you should be able to use this login bar for your Wix membership site. So that's how you create the membership site on Wix. Hope we help.